the Tribit Stormbox Micro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at a portable Bluetooth speaker, the Stormbox Micro by Tribit. I will go over specs, features, provide music samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide and a USB-C charging cable. The Stormbox Micro features 8 hours of playtime, 3.5 hours to fully charge. It's 9 watts output, and also features X-Bass. You can link additional speakers. It has button controls, and it's IP67 waterproof and dustproof. The speaker is compact in size and has a slim profile. It has a mesh lining on the top, and the back side has a grippy rubber feel to it. The top also has a Tribit branding. Right below the branding, you'll find the following controls: volume down, multi-function button, and volume up. On the front, you'll find the power button, microphone, status and battery LED indicators, and the pairing button. And on the right side is the USB-C charge port. On the bottom, you have a flexible tear-resistant strap. You can use it to secure around your backpack or a bicycle, just for some examples. The speaker comes in at 96mm by 96 by 37. It weighs in at 292 grams. And now for some audio samples.
What did you expect now? That you feel better? A town those simple lies wouldn't cut you down. What do you regret now? Thinking you were clever. Telling those little lies. Lie, lie, baby, won't you lie, lie? Getting enough of this, my love don't come for free.
I wake up, flex, I'm down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now. Check, no drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch.
I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Low me tools, no I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single like.
Here are my thoughts on the speaker. It's very impressive for its small size. I was surprised by the sounds it produced. The bass comes in heavy and pronounced and definitely not lacking. Mids and highs also come in strong and clear. It doesn't get distorted at high volume levels, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. I like the fact that you can pair an additional Stormbox Micro together, so it will enhance the sounds even further. The IP67 rating is a plus, and this can definitely be used in outdoors and various environments without worrying about getting it damaged. The build is solid and the design is compact, and it makes it easy to carry around if you need something portable. Overall, I feel that the speaker is worth it. It's versatile and it produces high energy sounds for its small size. So that's my review of the Tribit Stormbox Micro. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.